So the purpose of this video is to document the, the issues I've identified with nav and autopilot going on I-5 northbound through downtown Seattle. I've got nav and autopilot set up. I'm navigating to an address in North Seattle, way north of downtown. And I'm going to drive through downtown on I-5 and show you the problems that I see involving the Seneca Street exit off of I-5. For reference purposes, I'm a few miles south of Spokane Street, if you look on a map. And you can see Seneca Street is showing up on the list on nav and autopilot there. And not only do I want to capture
Now turn left to take the Interstate 5 ramp.
The video experience, but I also want to capture what the system says
in
as it's
500
passing.
Feet, take the Interstate 5 north ramp on the left toward Vancouver.
As it's passing.
Now take the Interstate 5 north ramp on the left.
The Seneca Street exit. Okay, now we're on I-5 northbound, and it's nav and autopilot's moving me over on this. As I said, the issue here is the Seneca Street exit up ahead. And one thing I'll point out, I'll zoom in a little bit. You see the arrow on the Seneca Street exit. It kind of shows a little bit of a left bit there, but the blue arrow kind of looks straight ahead. Well, Seneca Street is a left lane exit, but the system will treat it like a right lane exit. And you'll hear that coming up here in a bit. Okay, so now we're just about to pass Spokane Street, again on northbound I-5, just as a reference point. So by the way, at this point, we just passed Spokane Street. I'm in the far left lane except for the carpool lane on the freeway, and that's where nav and autopilot has put me. We're about to pass the exit just before Seneca Street now.
In 1 mile, keep right to take exit 165 onto Interstate 5 North.
Okay.
Then keep right to stay on Interstate 5 North.
Exit 165 is Seneca Street, which is a left exit. So if you heard that message, the message has it wrong. The system thinks it's a right-hand exit, or it's treating it as a right-hand exit. Now the system wants to move me over to the far right lane, I guess ostensibly for the exit. I've got some traffic here. Okay, we're moving over. We're just about to pass the Seneca Street exit, which is a left exit.
Keep right to take exit 165.
The Seneca Street exit.
Now keep right to stay on Interstate 5
It just moved me into the far right lane.
500 feet, keep right to stay on Interstate 5 North.
So that's what my beef is. It's a combination of things. The system thinks the Seneca Street exit's on the right when it's on the left. It tells you to take the Seneca Street exit. So there's a big confusion, especially for someone who hasn't been through Seattle before. It's just wrong, and it needs to get fixed.